Lionord bundle cutting metal bandsaw is used industrial applications to cut bundle metal material. The machine is ideal for cutting large batches of metal material quickly and efficiently. Max bundle cutting size is 500*600 mm. Double clamp vise guarantee. Material is stable when cutting. Blade angle designed to improve blade lifetime. This machine used in a wide range such as cutting pipes, rods and other material that is long and thin. When using a bandsaw, it is essential to ensure that the blade is sharp and in good condition. Operator adjusts the speed and pressure controls of the saw to make cuts through the entire bundle.